I hope that the rehearsals would pay off dahil isang malaking event ang laro Child's Play at the CCP. And I really thank the Young Musicians Development Organization for making me part of this wonderful event. I pray na sana mag-enjoy ang lahat sa mga performances ko.
Yun po yung laro, Child's Play. It's a benefit concert po para sa Philippine Youth Symphonic Band. Yung mga young musicians po yun. Kaya sila pa tumugtog para po sa akin.
So that's it. I'm not going to say anything more. I'm sure you want to hear her. This lady who has lent her wonderful charm to the mainstream show this scene is joining us tonight. Thus, next piece, a fresh take on these classical folk songs, will be made all the more fresher and more scintillating by one of our very special guests. Please welcome Miss Sara Heron.
Lansangan, kung gumiring parang tandang Santo Niño sa pandakan, Puto Seco sa tindahan. Kung ayaw mong magpautang, uubusin ka ng langgam. Mama, mama, namamang ka, pasakayin niya ring bata. Pagdating sa Maynila, ipagpalit ng manika.
Performing in front of a crowd na talagang mga musicians, mga elite. Wala, sobra ho talaga akong kinabahan nung gabing yon.
Ale-ale na mamayong, pasububin niya rin sanggol. Pagdating sa Malabon, ipagpalit pagatoon. Sitsi-litsi, alibaba, sa lalito, sa lagupang. Ang babae sa lansangan, kung gumiri, kung gumiri, kung gumiri.
I was so excited to meet her again, and everything was so nice being with her and rehearsing with her, working with her. It was just so pleasant. I know I've been following her on her shows, and she sings very well. She's a very good performer, and everyone else to witness her perform with these young talented kids.
Kasi ang concept nung show, parang iba't ibang genre kasi. Merong pop, merong classical. Sakop ko po yung pop. Parang ako yung representative ng pop music. So, binigyan ko ng pop na approach yung kanta.
Leron, leron sila, buko ng papaya, dala-dala'y buslo, sisilan ng bunga. Pagdating sa duloy, nabali ang sanga, tapos kapalaran, humanap ng iba. Gumising ka, neneng, tayo'y manampalok. Dalhin mo ang buslong, sisilan ng hinog. Pagdating sa duloy, lalamba-lambayog. Kumapit ka, neneng, baka ka mahulog.
And of course, they'll feature somebody from the pop or the, a little bit of that side naman, so that the kids also get so excited. Of course, I'm sure it was such an honor to play for Sarah, of course, because this is someone that they idolize. This is someone that's closer to their age and someone na pwede nilang, pagkaidulan, and hopefully, they can become as successful as her. Thought it was a gown at first, but I think it's like a pantsuit, because she was able to move her legs. So I'm guessing that she did wear a pantsuit, but disguised as a gown. But it was very beautiful, and she looked absolutely stunning.
a dream client. She actually just is very patient, and she doesn't gain weight. Her bodies remain the same. So, I'm swerte talaga. Ang masasabi ko lang talaga na bawat opportunity na binibisan ko si Sarah, tinuturing kong blessing para sa akin. Kasi talagang I really admire her and respect her. I think she's really one of the kindest persons you'll ever meet.
Sitiritsi, alibangbang, sa laginto, sa lagubang, ang babae sa lansangan, kung gumiri parang tanda, Santo Niño sa pandakan, Puto Seco sa tindahan, kung ayaw mong magpautang, ubusin ka ng langgam. Ako'y ibigin mo, lalaking matapang, ang baril ko'y pito, ang sundang ko'y siyam, ang sundang ko'y siyam, parte ng dinulang, isang pinggang pansit, ang aking
Grabe, sobrang silang inspiring. Talagang sa murang edad nila, para na sila mga professionals talaga tumugtog.